slow motion because you're going slow enough. Now for the technical details.
Carpenter pencils shim up the windows 1/4 inch, which is just about perfect. Make sure you level the windows on both sides because some of the windows can be bowed a little bit just to make it fit as perfect as possible. Put screws, nails, or staples in at least every 3rd hole. The silicone at the end is actually what holds it to the wall. It's not necessary to flash the top of the window yet. The stucco guys will take care of that, and they'll make sure that it sits on the top ledge of the window. When you're using an opening window, you want to make sure that the gap is consistent all the way across the entire window. If the gap is consistent and the window is level, then the locks will function properly easily. Same applies for horizontally sliding windows. Make sure the gap is consistent in order to make the latch function as smoothly as possible.
If you like that video, please subscribe. We build houses for a living and we document every step of the process. Watch our videos and you could literally build these houses by yourself. Well, you and a couple buddies probably. Thanks for watching.